here is character AI app, and when I try to open it up, it just says our servers are currently under a high load. Your estimated wait time is 8 minutes. So I seen this message few times before already, so I can just share my experience. Well, yeah, they announced in their subreddit, so that's official like support channel you can basically visit. If you go to their subreddit, they are planning to do a lot of infrastructure server side changes during these coming weeks or months. And yeah, so you should probably expect that quite a lot, because the app was still in beta, and so their infrastructure wasn't ready for like millions of users. This app became very popular, and like right now there are so many users, but their servers are just not ready. So what you can do, like, yeah, you can just wait some time. So just go to the app and you just need to wait. Uh, if you want, then of course you can just upgrade to Character AI Plus, priority access, skip the waiting room, faster response time, early access to new features, community access, membership. So yeah, if you want, then you can just upgrade if you're using this app a lot. But you can just wait. Usually for me, if I'm waiting, it goes away after like 8 minutes. Before I had a waiting time of 16 minutes. Now it's only 8 minutes. So they did some improvements for sure. But still, sometimes you need to wait. Other thing you need to know that usually this high load happens during the top hours in US. So this is my time right now in Europe. So like it's like 10 p.m. in Europe. So in US, I guess it's like the time is like from like 12 a.m. to 4 p.m. Like Western Eastern time. So starting from from afternoon time Eastern, I guess in US, this app usually will have quite heavy load. Let's say from 2-3 p.m. Eastern time. Also, especially on Mondays. It works okay on weekends, I need to say, but for some reason on some days it just has this issue. So my point is you just need to use this app outside of top hours in US. So either in the morning or a bit later in the night. Don't use it during midday time on Mondays or stuff like that, because you need to wait. Or of course you can just upgrade to Character AI Plus. If you like this app a lot, $10 per month will just save you from this annoying server issues, because you never know when they're gonna repeat. And you already see that only 3 minutes left, 4 minutes left. So it actually, this issue is being resolved over time. So it's not like the app is not working completely, but it's just like super annoying that you just need to wait and all of it. Also, sometime before there was a bug where I just couldn't create an account, so the login screen was completely unresponsive. That was like super annoying. Now, it at least it just shows a banner in the top that that there is some waiting time and it's indicated in a correct way, and you can just wait. So I'm just saying that it's not some unknown bug or something. They did some job, and usually a lot of times now smaller. So as I said, like before, I needed to wait like 16 minutes by default. Now it's only 8 minutes, and as we can see in this video, it's already like 2 minutes. So let's just wait until it's completely resolved, and I will just try to show you what happens if you can log in and all of that. But sometimes in other occasions the app was down for like a day or like half a day, and people were just not able to log in. So just search for their Character AI subreddit, and then you can just follow all their updates, what they plan to do, and all of that. Yeah, because I guess like this kind of art AI technology requires a lot of processing power, as I guess like computing power and like server side work and all of that. If you have like millions and millions of these chats, you just need to have a good infrastructure. If you don't have that, then yeah, it's gonna be complicated. It's 1 minute. So as you can see, it's actually predicting quite nicely the time. So you don't need to freak out or something, but it's just annoying that you need to wait. So almost there. And then there it is. So I just waited 8 minutes. It is painful, but not that painful. And then I'm automatically logged in, and there you have it. It works perfectly. Then you can just continue chatting. So yeah, hopefully they will resolve that in future. And it's usually these are not bugs that you can't access app for like 30 minutes or something. Yeah, sometimes if you see that, sometimes the app can be off for a day. It happened like 1 or 2 times already, but usually, yeah, the waiting room time is getting smaller and smaller. So yeah, now you can access the app normally and it works fine. Yeah, if you wanna reach out to their community tab on the community in top right. Um, so even the community is, as you can see, even if you access the app already, to access the community, you need to become a C.AI Plus user. So community is also under the queue and it's another queue as in the app. Then support, you can go to support.character.ai. How can we help you? And then here you can just see some guides, forms, and if you want to submit a request, you can also just tap things here. But yeah, you just need to wait. They not gone. Or maybe you can try to reach out to them if you have some unusual things. And then yeah, there are just some settings. Uh, so yeah, then there is like a blog, and as I said, um, there is also their subreddit. So if you want to go to their subreddit, you can also try that. Um, Overall, yeah, if you're just using this app a lot, um, yeah, I would just recommend you to upgrade to C.AI Plus. You will get to skip waiting rooms, enjoy fast message generation, access and exclusive community chat channel with faster feedback and support. Display C.AI Plus membership badge. Subscribers will also enjoy early access to new and exciting features, and we continue to unlock next generation capabilities.